IIT का लाइफ यार, आई हैव टू टेल यू दिस, मैं इतना बोल रहा हूँ कि वर्चुअली देख लेना ये बोला, डूड IIT मैं बता रहा हूँ द एब्सोल्यूट बेस्ट प्लेस टू स्टडी, एटलीस्ट इन इंडिया, एटलीस्ट इंडिया में तो मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मतलब आई डोंट नो इफ देयर आर कॉलेजेस व्हिच आर बेटर देन IIT, द कैंपस, द फैसिलिटीज, हम लोग का IIT रूरकी का तो आई रिमेंबर द एंटायर कैंपस वाज वाईफाइड, अभी भी है सारे कैंपस पूरे वाईफाई, व्हेन दिस इज बैक व्हेन लाइक 2007 में, व्हेन इट वाजंट like just prevalent that places are Wi-Fi. आज से मतलब कितना 14 years ago, the entire campus had, हम लोग का पूरा hostel had Wi-Fi, everyone was on Wi-Fi. Art department, architecture department, every student like there were like 15 iMacs there, जहाँ लोगों को मतलब ऐसा वो वो ऐसा पीछे जो निकला हुआ रहता है पूरा मॉनिटर वाला CPU मिलता था, I remember other colleges में, and we were getting iMacs like full 27-inch iMacs to work on for free. Everyone वहाँ नहीं कि इंडिविजुअली दे दिया, बट लाइक फॉर फ्री यूज हर डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर, जस्ट द फैसिलिटीज, द स्पोर्ट्स, ओ माय गॉड, मतलब दे वर लाइक no matter which sport you want to play, you have the facility, you have the time and the best equipment to play with. You have internships, oh my god, my first internship that I did, IIT ka, the value that people place in the name of an IIT is so much higher than we imagine. There's a very common trend, I don't know about other IITs, but IIT Roorkee mein aisa hai that third year ke end pe architecture mein that we used to go for internships. I did my third year internship in Toronto, and I was there for 2.5 months. I mean, I am not even a qualified architect till then, and yet I get to go on a paid internship in Toronto for 2.5 months just to learn and see amazing things. I mean, वहाँ रहना and then the city and everything is different, but just मैं वहाँ रह के जो सीख रहा हूँ, all this just because you're from an IIT. I don't think everyone apart from IITians are getting these opportunities. So what you are doing right now, all of it will culminate there. आपको वहाँ जाके समझ में आएगा कि हाँ यार जो उस टाइम मेहनत की अभी क्या मिल रहा है. You know, it's a very common saying, ऐसा it's a lot of jokes and memes come around the fact कि अभी मेहनत कर लो बाद में आराम मिलेगा, and parents keep on saying all this. It is so bloody true. Genuinely, if you put in those 2 years, I'm not even kidding, if you put in those 2 years, there are so many things which just become a little easier for you. Just a little, like, you know, not easier, but like you have the opportunity to make it more accessible to you, which is very difficult for people to access. Like wo internship, most people won't even get a chance to. You have a chance, and if you put in the right amount of effort, you will get it. There is an opportunity which is created, which is not created otherwise. So if you are thinking that you want the best opportunities in your life, you have to put in the time now. This is the time to do it. And you have to earn it right now so that that opportunity comes to you. Because 2 years, 3 years down the line after the college, when you don't have that, and you would be feeling ki, you know, I wish I had just given those a little bit more, like 6 more months of effort, and then I would have had those opportunities. It's going to be really like, you know, you're going to miss out on something. So just do that. And jobs, I think there is a certain amount of security which comes with every person who qualifies into IIT, that most of the people get a job, regardless of whether it's the best job or not. I was really fortunate because like I got the best in the highest paying job on campus. I was placed in Abu Dhabi for a bit, and then in Mumbai, and then bunch of places, and then I left that job in 2 months. And then I tried out something else, and then I did something else. But my point is, if you are from an IIT, and if you do well there is a decent chance that you have a chance. You can almost be secure in your mind that job तो मिल जाएगी, job तो मिल ही जाएगी. अब मैं और क्या कर सकता हूँ?
For detailed videos, daily practice problems, and live chat, visit academy.amazon.in or download the app.